My video is about getting rid of fake human verification alerts that are related to the site guessgloven.com. Some people see these pretty strange pop-ups by guessgloven.com. Obviously, these pop-ups are totally faulty and truly deceptive. They try to make you click on this allow button, supposedly to help you prove that you are not a robot. But when people mistakenly agree with this proposal and click on allow, their browser is hijacked with many ads that would be attacking the screen in the form of web push notifications. If you've mistakenly clicked on allow, fix your browser by accessing the menu, settings, then privacy and security, site settings, go down to permissions and notifications. Now pay attention to the websites allowed to send notifications. So remove these junk sites if you find them on the list. To make sure that your computer is free of any other threats, I do recommend that you investigate your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and then start carefully researching the system. Combo Cleaner Antivirus will help you to detect and eliminate all other threats which could still remain on your device. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only quick scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.